Hello everyone, welcome back. Take a thread and then you can take 3 to 4 5 threads like this. Now roll them like this, fix them over each other as we are fixing in this video. So you can put it like this, fix them as we are doing, zigzag it like this one by one. Now pull it from both the sides like this. Now after pulling it, stretch it. Now again repeat the process. Now moving on to next, take a key ring and then fix the thread on it and tie it on the key. Now fix it like this and then tie it like this. Now fix the key ring in the between and then roll the threads around it like this one by one. Now put it in the between and pull out. So watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing the threads. Now roll it one by one as shown in the video. Now again roll it like this and again fix it. You have to make a beautiful keychain thread like this, tie it at the end, and it's almost ready. I hope you liked it. Cut the removing parts of it and it's done. You have to take a thread and put the pearls on it. Now roll it like this and then fold the thread around each section of the pearl like this. Roll it in the same manner as we are rolling it very carefully and make a star in the between. Now fold it like this from the sides and pull the thread. Now fix it by putting the more small stones inside it and it's ready. Next, take a round shaped object and fix the thread around it like this. Now fold the thread and again pull it in the between of it like this. Now fix it. Now we have to repeat the process. Now at the top, tie the thread like this together. Make a shape like this and fold the thread around it. So fix the thread in the between at the end and pull it. Repeat the process. Fix the thread like this, again like this, and cut the extra parts of it. Now put it carefully and it's ready. Now stretch it and it's done. Next, take a red color thread and roll it around the thread like this in the between. Fold it and fix it in the between. So watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing it. Now take another thread and pull it like this again in the same manner and tie it. Put it on the top and again fix it by pulling it out from the between. Tie it like this. Now again repeat the same process using the red color thread. So one by one we have to repeat the process for a few more times. Tie the threads carefully as shown in the video. Take two different color threads of your choice. You can take any color. Here we have taken red and golden color. Now fold it till the end in the same manner. So first 2 times we have to roll the red one and then at the end 2 times we have to fold the golden one. Next, moving on to another art. So take a round object like this and roll the threads around it like this and then pull it down. So watch these steps very carefully how we have fixed it. Now at the top, fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.